Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to download Steam on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Steam on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser in your device. After you open your web browser, next, go and search for the official website of Steam. And after searching, you will then be directed to the website. So now that you're on the website, I want you to click on the Install Steam button at the top. And then click Install Steam again to completely download it. And after clicking it, your Steam setup will now be downloaded, so just click the file to start setting up the installation. And right here, you just need to select what language you prefer for your Steam. And once you're done selecting, click Next. And after that, Steam will then show you the location where the files of your Steam will be saved. If you want to change the location, just go to Browse, but if you are fine with it, just click Install. And then click Finish to completely start the installation. After that, your Steam will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And after the installation, your Steam will automatically open. So right here, you just need to log in your Steam account. So if you already have a Steam account, just sign it in, but if you don't have one, then just create an account right here. So to create your Steam account, you just need to enter your email address right here. Reminder guys, make sure that the email you will use right here is an email that you can open, because Steam will send you a verification message later in order to verify your account. Once you're done entering your email address, just check this box to agree to their privacy policy and then click Continue. And here's the verification that I told you earlier guys. So to verify your account, just open the Gmail account that you used to create your Steam account. And after you open your Gmail account, you will now be able to see the verification message that Steam sent to you. Just open it. And after that, just click this button to finally verify your account. And after that, your Steam account will now be verified. You can now go back to Steam to continue setting up your account. Right here, you just need to enter the username and password that you want. And once you're done entering the username and password, click Done. And after that, your Steam account will now be created. So now that you have your Steam account, you can now log it in right here by entering your username and password. And after that, you will now be logged into Steam. And now that you've logged in, it's done. Congratulations, you have now successfully downloaded your Steam. You can now install and play games using the app. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.